Hello everyone. Today in this lecture I'll be telling you exactly what freelancing is. I'll also show you various sites and platforms where freelancing is a commonplace. What is freelancing? Basically, freelancer is a person who is self-employed and not committed to any employer for long-term employment. The fields include writing, editing and copywriting, graphic design and logo design, web design, SEO, search engine optimization, and mobile apps design, computer programming, translation and transcription, video editing and production, and social media marketing, and many other things. Basically, a person has a skill set which he sells on a platform to an employee, and the employee gives him the money for a particular job to be done. But as shown on this pie chart, it is not as simple as it looks. Basically, when an employee and a freelancer agree on terms of the job, the employee gives the money to an escrow, which keeps it till the time the freelancer completes his job and delivers it to the employee. After the stipulated period of time, the escrow releases the funds to the freelancer. The various freelancing platforms include Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Truelancer, The Mango, Taskr.in, Constant Content, and HubStuff, and many others. There are some benefits of freelancing. A freelancer works from home. He has the flexibility to pick and choose the job which he desires. He is not restricted from 9 to 5 job, and he earns in dollars or pounds. But there are few drawbacks. It is definitely precarious work, and it is not a steady stream of continuous work flowing in. There is no employee benefits such as pension, sick leave, or bonuses, and he overall earns less than a permanent employee. Being on internet, there is an element of fraud in it also. Now I'll tell you about the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. In this website bls.gov, you can see various consumer price indexes, unemployment rates, payroll employments, and average and hourly earnings and other things. I had come across an old article in this, which was published in October 2015, and that the lady had told that there are more than 53 million Americans now earning income from work that is not the traditional 9 to 5 job, and that is 1 in 3 individuals. In another site, Modern Intelligence, the freelance platform market, which is in 2024 $6.56 billion US dollars, is supposed to increase in 2029 to 14.17 billion US dollars. And the majority of the freelance platforms market by region are in Eurasia, followed by North and South America and Europe, and lastly Africa and the Middle East. Yet in another site, SkyQuest, it says that by 2031 the US market of freelance platforms is supposed to grow to 5.63 trillion US dollars. Here you can see a market snapshot of North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific regions, and an analysis of how much the freelancers work in global online marketplaces. Now coming over to Upwork, I have searched the term freelancer here in find jobs or find work. I can check out entry level jobs, intermediate level or expert level, and have the R type or fixed rates as defined here in the website. In Fiverr, the overall categories include graphic and design, programming and technology, digital marketing, video animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business, consulting, and lastly AI services. In Guru, if I write freelancer and search for the jobs, I'll get 71 results. Canva social media templates, business development associates, global import export data collection, WordPress. There are many things to be done in this online platform of Guru. The next site which I'll show you is people per hour. Here the first category is AI services, including chat bot development and data services. Then they have technology and programming, writing, translation, design, digital marketing including SEO, video, photograph and image, business, music and audio, marketing and branding and sales, and lastly social media. In yet another platform, freelancer.com, you can also post your job and choose a freelancer and then pay when you are satisfied. Just like this freelancer, there is another site with the name of Truelancer, and here also you can find jobs, have a search term freelance, and there will be multiple proposals and jobs readily available on this platform as well. Just like so, the other platform includes Skyward, which is basically content strategy and planning and creative writing platform, Design Crowd, which includes logo design, business designs and other things, Contently, Work Genius, and lastly Work Market. So my friends, as you have just seen, there are many places where you can sell your services, your skills, and get money out of it. But the main problem is what skill to sell. Now that will be the topic of my next lecture, in which I will be telling you in detail exactly how you can reach to the conclusion of what skill suits you and what skill you should sell. Till then, take care.